My name is Imran Rauf Bhagwan, student of the Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. My topic is railway engineering. Railway engineering. What is meant by railway engineering? Railway engineering is a branch of civil engineering deal with the location, construction and maintenance of railway road. For the long distance passenger and traffic, railway is the cheapest mode of the transportation. Different types of different type of zone of Indian Railway: Eastern Railway, South Eastern Railway, Northern Railway, North Eastern Railway, Southern Railway, Central Railway, Western Railway, North Eastern Fortuner Railway, South Central Railway. Classification of railway engineering. Railway engineering are classified according to the type of gauge. First is board gauge. Central horizontal distance between two parallel rails are 1.676 meter. They are used in a populated area, also used in countries United States, America, Canada, Turkey and China also. Meter gauge. The clear horizontal distance between two parallel rails are 1 meter. It used in a traffic intensity are moderate. Narrow gauge. The clear horizontal distance between two parallel rails are 1.435. Narrow gauge required less cost to build. Alignment. The term alignment used in both horizontal and vertical layout to describe the line uniformity of the rail. Factor affecting on alignments. Find fund available, gauge of traffic density, position of the tunnel in hilly area, cost of maintenance and construction, nature of ground. Permanent way. The permanent way consists the combination of ballast, rail and fixtures. It consists of pair of rails fixed to sleeper which rest on ballast. Component parts: rail, sleepers, ballasts, fixture and fastening formation. These are the component parts of railway rails. A rail is a steel bar extended horizontally between support which is used as a track for a railroad. Type of rails: blue headed rails, flat footed rails. These are the types of rail. Sleepers. These are the member laid transversely. It is used as a supporting member to the rail. Type of sleepers: timber or wooden sleeper. The timber sleeper nearly fulfill all the requirements of ideal sleeper, and hence they are universally used. The wood used may be like teak, sal, etc. Steel sleeper. They are in the form of steel through inverted on which rail are fixed directly by the key or nut and bolt and used along sufficient length of the track. Have used the lifespan of steel sleeper are 20 to 25 years. Free from decay. Connection between rail and sleeper is stronger. Concrete sleeper. RCC and precast concrete sleeper are now replacing type all other type of sleeper expected to some special recruitments. Durable with the life range from 40 to 50 years. They are not attacked by corrosion. Ballast. Railway ballast is a foundation of a railway track and provided just below the sleepers. The, the load from the wheel of train ultimate come on the ballast through the rail and sleeper. Material of ballast. Following materials are used for ballast on the railway track: broken stone, gravel, ashes, concrete, murum, brick, basalt, etc. Selected earths, etc. Fixture and fastening. The arrangement required for connecting the rails ends together and for fixing rail to sleeper in a track is called a fixture and fastening. Fixtures are fish plate, bearing plates, chairs, etc. Fastenings: spikes, bolt, key. That is all about the railway engineering. Thank you.